Drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, and ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say I miss before they mention my name.
Y'all, I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. Said I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump like this. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like this. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hits like this?
664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullshit, and let's go.
Y'all, I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. Said I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump like this. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like this. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hits like this?
Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Ladies, don't throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Credit is yours, do whatever you want to.
Yo, hear these words out my mouth now. Tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it? It's an anthem you can bounce around. Yeah, you just accept to take your breath, bring it back now. Dudes get excited, seeing what they like. Hoping they the one you choose, hope they get invited. Late night rendezvous is alright, but we loving how the club vibrating, it's enticing. Let the beat knock, trust me, we ain't gon' stop. Head to the lights up, watch us take over the spot. Few mad looks from them chicks, you know, and from them dudes who be jealous of a chick with dough. Pop another bottle for them, keep my life moving. No time for the drama, watch me blow through them. I know I sound confident, I'm supposed to though. We do it big, how we live, Kelly told you so. Come on.
Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. Said I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump. All my ladies, wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like this.
Am I throwing you off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a loss for words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for in the daytime with a light.
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. The problem, I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit, I'm curious about you. You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you're teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
Promiscuous boy, let's get to the point, 'cause we on the road. You ready? Roses are red, some diamonds are blue. Chivalry is dead, but you're still kinda cute.
Hey, I can't keep my mind off you. Where you at? Do you mind if I come through?
I'm out of this world, come with me to my planet. Get you on my level, do you think that you can handle it?
They call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize gang, I'ma lay mine down.
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. But if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
Baby, we can keep it on the low. Let your guards down, ain't nobody gotta know. If you with a girl, I know a place we can go.
What kind of girl do you take me for?
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you're teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
Promiscuous boy, let's get to the point, 'cause we on the road. You ready?
Don't be mad, don't get mean.
Don't get mad, don't be mean.
Hey, don't be mad, don't get mean.
Don't get mad, don't be mean.
Wait, I don't mean no harm. I can see you with my t-shirt on.
I can see you with nothing on. Feeling on me before you bring that on.
Bring that on.
You know what I mean.
Girl, I'm a freak, you shouldn't say those things.
I'm trying to get inside of your brain to see if you can work me the way you say.
It's okay, it's alright. I got something that you gon' like.
Is it the truth or are you talking trash? The game MVP like Steve Nash.
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, I'm teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
Promiscuous boy, let's get to the point, 'cause we on the road. You ready?
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's spinning like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Cause I didn't do this, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving stuff, it's calling on my face. They don't know how to reach me every time that it plays in my rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside 'cause the back against the plan. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. So, I'm on the low, I'm out of range. Turning on the suddenly, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody